Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on OKX. And for this, we search first here at markets for the symbol that we want to trade with. So let's say Bitcoin to USD is fine for me. And then after that, we scroll a little bit down where we will find or market order. And now we can decide if you want to click on limit or market order. Now let's say limit order. This is the price that we can step in with. So 70.040 is fine. Select here the amount. So I want to buy for, not that much, but this, many Bitcoin. And then we scroll down and then you will see here TPSL. So make sure that you click on that. And then from here, we can select the, stop loss price. And this means that let's say when he will hit 65K, that he will stop or trade and that he will stop or losses. So this is how you can, put a stop loss on your trade. If you now click here on buy, you will see here your order and he is saying that this is the trigger price for a stop loss. So now if you click on confirm, you just created a order, a nice position with a stop loss. So this is how you can put a stop loss on OKX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.